What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing this premium version majorette Nissan Cefiro. This is based on a real life drift car. The driver is Christy Lewis over there. That's her name right there. This is the box, by the way. This is the car. The packaging is really good. Like, the art is amazing. There's her signature right there. That's her car. But yeah, let's crack this open. Right, cracking it open now. This is a really big box to open, so bear with me. So which one shall we see first? Let's just take that box open. Let's just see the box. This is the real life version. Let's bring it into the light first. This is the real life version. It's got black wheels with the real life version. The box is quite good as well. There's a toy version. I think they actually sell these in boxes as well. I'm not sure, but there's the information. But that's not what we're here for about. This is what we're here for. Let's see the packaging. Well, look at this. Hang on, this is really dark. Look at this. It's so detailed. So front, we've got the front plastic headlights, the indicators. Right here. Red wheels. It's a nice black colour. The Nissan, the tiny Nissan logo. An amazing livery. Major at the back. The Nissan logo, all the rear light details, the Nissan logo and the Cefiro logo. This livery is real as well, and also it's got rubber tyres. It's got plastic brakes, unfortunately, but here's all the details, made in Thailand. But what's best of all is that this also has an opening feature. Look at that. You can see the engine in there. I think the real life one is an inline 6. Correct me if I'm wrong, but man, this is such a good and detailed car. Let's look at the box again. Just how detailed this is. So that's the. Well, let me just move this up. This is the car right there, and this is the version. Right, now the real life one. Look how detailed that is. But anyway, it's quite a messy video, but yes. Hope you enjoyed this quick 3-minute review on the very detailed Nissan Cefiro. If that's how you say it, but yeah. Oh, and it's got suspension as well. It's got suspension. That's amazing. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this quick review of the Nissan Cefiro, Christy Lewis's drift car. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya.